Introducing the latest innovation from Dustless Blasting, the air dryer and cooler system. While Dustless Blasting has long been your trusted partner for portable blasting solutions, we're now extending that portability to another essential aspect of your work. This versatile unit features a mobile base equipped with wheels and lift handles, allowing you to effortlessly transport it between job sites. Whether you're in need of clean, dry air for a precise paint job or quick disconnect hookups for various air tools, this system has you covered. With multiple power options available, including a 12-volt alligator clip for battery hookup or a direct plug-in to 120-volt AC shop or job site power, you can use this setup anywhere your work takes you. Pairing this air dryer with one of our Dustless blast pots enables you to work almost 15% faster thanks to the supply of cool, clean air. Discover more about this American-made air dryer and cooler by visiting dustlessblasting.com. This tip is brought to you by Dustless Blasting, the future of surface preparation.